Today's quick tip is using a keyboard shortcut that will save you so much time. It is using on your keyboard hold down Control and hit K, and this will allow you to insert a link very quickly. So first, I'm in an email. I have my link ready. I've already written my text. I'm going to highlight Student Technology Support Desk, and then hold down Control and hit K. It's going to automatically pop up that link option. I'm going to paste it in and hit OK. I'll show that to you again. Highlight or take the link, highlight the text I want, that it is a descriptive link, then hold down Control, hit K. A link option pops up. I put in my link and it's there. This works in pretty much everything. Now I'm in a Word document. I'm going to grab my link, come in here, highlight my text, hold down Control, hit K. The link pops up. There it is. It also works in Teams. So here I've got my text, and I'm going to highlight what I want to be the link, and then hold down Control, hit K, and then paste in insert, and there it is. And finally, it also works in other systems. So this is a Google Doc, and I'll highlight the text I want, and then Control K, and paste and apply. And it also works in Zoom. You can go into your chat, highlight the text you want to be a link, hit Control K, and it will take the last thing that you copied and already pasted in. So then you just have to hit save.